Attract raving fans, the art of making your offer irresistible. So, if you feel like nobody wants your offer, it isn't that you don't have a good offer or there's no one out there that wants to buy it. It's just that you need to package it in a way that seems like a no brainer that they're going to say yes. So, here are three quick tips in how you can do that. First, price your product competitively, but don't undersell. It's actually been proven that if you sell something for too cheap, oftentimes people figure, why are they selling this for so low? Make sure that you are in a competitive price range for your market. So it shows you have a quality product and you'll actually get paid more for what you're offering. The second thing is be sure that you show the transformation and offer bonuses that can help them get there. So it's not just about the courses and the components that you have in there. It really is about the transformation that they're going to have. They don't want products and features or specifications. What they want is to change their life. So be sure to show them how it will, and then offer some bonuses with your product that will help them reach that even faster. The third thing is to make sure to paint a picture that they can see what their life will be like before and after. Don't use I on your sales page. It needs to be all about them and having them see how this transformation really will change their life and how it's completely attainable for them. If you would like more information about how to make your offer irresistible, drop a comment with hashtag offer in the comments and I will send you some more information to get you going.